Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. I don't really do this anymore. I kind of stopped because I realized that it is pretty dumb. Look who is here again.
Hey.
Aww. My beautiful boyfriend Desley is with us today because I am going to ruin his hair. No, I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna make it look good.
Yeah, you better.
As you all know, things are very different right now and a lot of stores are closed. The hairdressers are also closed. But our hair still keeps growing. So
Yeah.
it has to be cut at some point. And I've been wanting to cut his hair since forever now. Like, I've asked it so many times, but he always told me like, no, you are not allowed to touch my hair because I don't trust you. He doesn't have a choice anymore. Yay! So today I'm going to cut your hair.
Yeah.
How do you feel about it?
Don't know.
I got my equipment over here. This is giving me flashbacks to when I used this to shave all my hair off. Oh no!
Don't do it.
Oh my, should I? So since I've never done anything like this, I thought it would be a great idea to kind of like look up online how I'm supposed to do this. Because
yes, thank you.
Because I do want to do a good job, okay? Like, I don't mind fucking my own hair off because I honestly don't really care about my own hair. But I do want you to be happy with the end result. So let me just look up some videos, and I'm pretty sure that there are like a million tutorials right now. Because everybody has to cut their hair at home. There's so many videos. So let me go on the interwebs and look up a tutorial.
Drastic times call for drastic hair measures. Come on.
True.
All right, gentlemen, let's get down to business. So for this job, you're gonna need a few tools. You're gonna need a handheld mirror, something to see the back of your head. You're also gonna need a pair of sharp scissors, a comb, and then in this box, Old Faithful, my wall hair clipping set. Guys, I'm gonna link to a few of these down on Amazon. Today, I'm dusting off the old clippers for a little Alpha M old school hair cutting tutorial. All right. Once your hair is towel dried, grab your comb. Now what we want to do is actually get the majority of your hair up, all right, off of the sides, all right? What I want you to do is to actually find where you normally part your hair. Find your part and get your hair out of your face. What I'm going to do is start here on the side, on the temple, go up and fade out. See how I did that? Up and out. You're pulling out, all right? Not up and over, up and out, all right? You're going to go all the way up to your hair. And then you're also going to do the other side before you move on to the back.
Up and out.
Both sides, grab your handheld mirror and do the back. Now this takes a little bit of getting used to, but honestly it's not that bad. You just got to try it. And remember, we're stuck inside. So if you jack up the back, it's no big deal. And it'll grow back. That's the beautiful thing.
Oh, I need to go to work, so it's a big deal.
I'm just not gonna show the back, and then you'll never know if it's in or not. I'm gonna have to use my beautiful clippers.
Yep.
And I gotta up and roll.
Yes.
Up and
They
roll
see
that
me
bitch.
rolling.
They see me up and... Okay, so... Are you ready?
Nope.
To look beautiful? Oh, you already look beautiful.
I'm not ready. But let's do it.
So, hello,
Hello.
mister. Welcome to Crystal's Crusty Hair Salon. What do you want today? Tell me.
I think I want to go.
No, you can't go anymore. You have to stay inside, so there's nowhere you can run to. So, to make everything even more professional, I got something which I really like. And I've only used it once, but it makes me feel like such a professional.
Wow.
Look how professional this looks!
Great.
Oh my god! Maybe I should get that. Oh, wait. So I got my beautiful towel that is stained with all different kinds of color hair dye. This looks professional, right?
No.
What?
I
No.
never had it like this.
Well, I have. So.
You can actually see a little bit like difference in hair length, right?
Yeah. But your last cut was very nice. So it all fades in perfectly.
Yeah.
So you don't see that much of a difference.
That's what I expect from you as well.
Well, that's what you're gonna get. Don't worry about it.
Wanna bet?
Maybe not. Okay.
But let's go.
Are we excited?
No!
Yes, we are! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, it is on 6 millimeters.
Alright.
And we're gonna shave this puppy. Oh shit! So much hair.
Yeah, it's been a while. It's been like 2 months since I went to the hairdresser.
Damn, your hair grows fast, boy.
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I actually really love doing this.
Enjoy the moment because it's the first and the last time.
Rude. Yeah, I definitely know now why people go to school to learn this stuff.
Oh, that's making me feel better.
What?
It's on 10, right?
Yeah?
You sure? Because I saw you putting it down.
Huh? Well, it's on 9, but that's the only. I can't go to 10. It's 9 or 12.
Oh, I really don't trust you.
No, you don't trust me at all.
I know which stupid mistakes you always make. So.
Just clean it up a little bit. La la la. Oh, there's like everywhere. It looks good-ish.
If you think it's goodish, then it's really bad.
What a beautiful fade!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I don't think I've ever been this quiet while filming a video.
I don't think I've ever been this nervous while doing anything.
What? That's my concentration face. How long does it normally take you to get your hair done?
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yep.
Oh my god.
That includes washing my hair as well.
Oh boy. Well, this is not 20 minutes.
Nope.
But the thing is, they have experience and they don't feel the pressure like I do. Okay, let me just clean up in the back. Okay, we are back after a small commercial break, aka my battery was dead, my camera, so we're back! Hey! And we had some food, so hopefully we're both in a better mood now. Yes? Okay, so I got all your hair, all the sides.
Yeah.
Perfect. Beautiful.
I hope.
Flawless. Okay, so let me just take the clips out.
Yeah. It's actually pretty alright.
Yeah, you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Darling. Honestly,
Yeah.
I swear to God, I'm not like. It honestly does not look that bad.
Not that big a disappointment I thought you was.
I know, right? Like, I know I disappoint a lot, but today is not one of those days. Do you want to see the back? Yeah, you can take
Yeah.
the mirror.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What? You were so positive.
Yeah, no, I'm not anymore. Wow.
Isn't that just your hair?
Oh my god, what did you do?
I didn't do anything. What did I do wrong?
This side seems okay, but this side is a complete mess. It's so short up there. Over here. And it's goes short until here, and then it's long. Like all of a sudden, there's no fade at all. You see it? Well, that's a disappointment.
So, I thought I did an amazing job, but apparently I didn't.
No.
It's not the best haircut that you've ever had in your entire life.
No. No, it's not.
But it is the worst haircut you've ever had in your entire life.
Yeah, I think so.
However, I just realized, like, I know, okay, look, the thing is, I thought I did a great job. On the top looks good.
Yeah, because you did nothing.
I mean, I think the front looks good as well.
Yeah.
But maybe
Yeah,
should
the
the
sides,
back.
the front.
Can you turn around? But I don't know what happened. But yeah, you're right. Like it's very uneven.
Yeah, that side. The other side is okay.
Look at your
Yeah.
disappointed face. I just realized I have a product at home for your hair. For moments like this. Yes, I can. Root spray!
You're completely nuts.
But this is exactly what people use it for, to fill up the like bald spots on your head and to dye your roots. Should I try it?
Yeah, you can try it. Not too much.
Yeah, it's cold.
Wow.
Yeah, it's cold. Wait. Ah, it's the wrong color. Damn. Look, this is something that I actually am kind of good in. Makeup. So, let me see. Okay. Forward. Just casually putting makeup on the back of your head.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it is.
It did work.
It did work.
And
Yeah.
I thought you. Okay. That's beautiful. No mistakes whatsoever. So yeah, everybody, this was today's video of me doing my boyfriend's hair. I thought, look, I kind of had fun, but also not at all, because it's very, very nerve-wracking to do your hair. Like, there's
for me as well.
so much pressure. Oh my god, at the moment you look in the mirror, oh no. Oh, it's not a good day.
No.
It's not a good moment.
No.
Leslie, what did you think of this experience?
I absolutely don't like it.
Do you still love me?
Maybe tomorrow.
I'll make you iced coffee.
That's good.
Okay. So yeah, I really hope y'all liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. My next hair video, I don't know when there will be a new hair video, but I will definitely be doing my own hair.
Yeah.
That's for sure. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to follow me on my TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube channel if you do not follow me here yet. And I hope to see you in my next video.
Yeah.